Today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is Body Cam Footage Proved She Was Lying.
This woman gets caught attacking her best friend on camera.
You can see her hit.
Oh, yeah, thanks hit the hell out of her.
When her lies are exposed, she blames anyone but herself.
I'm the only black person out here, like I'm being discriminated against.
Officers received a call about an abusive customer at a bar. When they arrived, the suspect was waiting to plead her case.
What's going on?
Came here with my homegirl. We came there to eat, and I started saying like, they team. They watching football. I said saying like, they team. The next minute, you know, I'm shunned out. Like I'm being asked to leave, and I'm being asked to this and that. Now me and my homegirl together, we arguing. So that was that. I don't know what else and what I did.
What happened out here?
I don't know what I did or what else, and that was that.
What happened out here?
Nothing.
How does she have all those marks on her?
Me and my homegirl together. She came, she was like, oh, da-da-da-da. She hit me in the face, she smacked me. She said, oh, calm down, this and that. And I did the same thing to her. Me and her been friends over 10 years.
This one? The white lady?
Go ask her. That's my best friend. I can show you over 10 years of pictures of us together. We do everything together. We be together all the time. All of that. We came here together. We just came from her house to here to get something to eat. They was watching the game. I start fucking the game up, you know, telling them I'm bullshit. I'm top popping shit. I'm from New Jersey. I'm from New York. So my team is the Giants. When I start doing that, he started getting serious, the owner. Telling me, oh, I gotta.
I ain't gonna lie. She from Jersey, but Jersey and New York are cousins. But I could tell she was from the area just because of the way she was talking in the beginning. When she said this, that, and that, and all of that, like when you, like, for example, when you're saying a sentence and then you're using filler words, how can I explain it? Hold on. All right. Well, I'm gonna run it back a little bit, and she's gonna use filler. It's gonna, you know how people talk and they'll say filler words like, right? Like is a filler word. You know what I'm saying? Because people reuse it to kind of try and get their point across. Now, New Yorkers, for the most part, they don't use too many filler words, or they do use filler words, but they also use filler sounds that mean words. But you don't know what the words is until you have the context of whatever sentence they're actually saying. So I'm gonna run it back real quick, man. Listen, some of you guys might call it ebonics or whatever the case may be, whatever. I'm gonna break it down to you right now. You guys are you gonna get a lesson that you probably didn't ask for when you clicked on this video, but I'm gonna give it to you anyway. Watch, let's run it back. We gonna run it back from the jump.
What's going on?
Came here with my homegirl. We came there to eat, and I started saying like, they team. They watching football. I said saying like, they team. The next minute, you know, I'm shunned out. Like I'm being asked to leave, and I'm being asked to this and that. Now me and my homegirl. All
right, I've been asked this, and that. Right? Okay. Now those are words you can understand the context of whatever. Right? That's a filler word. Right? Okay. Go ahead.
Together. We arguing. So that was that. I don't know what else and what I did.
What happened out here?
I don't know what I did or what else, and that was that.
What happened out here?
Nothing.
How does she have all those marks on her?
Me and my homegirl together. She came, she was like, oh, da-da-da-da.
All right. Now, that was a filler word, right? This, and that. Now, we got a filler sound, okay? A filler sound that mean words, but you got to understand the context of the story. So I'll run back real quick, real quick.
And that was that.
What happened out here?
Nothing.
How does she have all those marks on her?
Me and my homegirl together. She came, she was like, oh, da-da-da-da.
Okay, so the whole da-da-da-da-da means whatever the context, she was telling her something, right? Yada, yada, yada. See, but anyway, fuck it. But anyway, I'm saying that to say this, okay? is that I kind of had a feeling that she was from the area, New York, New Jersey, whatever. It could even be like Philly, whatever, right? Close Connecticut, any of those type of areas where it's really, you know, I'm in New York, so it's a filler sound that mean words. It's just the way motherfuckers talk. You know what I mean?
Hit me in the face, she smacked me. She said, oh, calm down, this and this and that. And I did the same thing to her. Me and her been friends over 10 years.
This one, the white lady?
Go ask her. That's my best friend. I could show you over 10 years of pictures of us together. We do everything together. We be together all the time. All of that. We came here together. We just came from her house to here to get something to eat. They was watching the game. I start fucking the game up, you know, telling them I'm bullshit. I'm popping shit. I'm from New Jersey. I'm from New York.
Okay.
So my team is the Giants. When I start doing that, he started getting serious, the owner.
Okay.
Telling me, oh, I gotta leave. Oh, I gotta da. And I'm like, damn, why I gotta leave when I'm only bullshit and this and that? So I'm with my homegirl, the white lady. When I go to leave, she come to me like, oh, so now we outside. So my homegirl Julia, who's with me, she like, oh, just leave because they gonna get you arrested. And they gonna do this and they gonna do that. I'm like, arrest me for what? All I'm doing is popping shit about a team.
So how did those marks get on her, though?
She slapped me, I slapped her back.
Okay.
She slapped me like, no, bitch, get in the car. And it's innocent, and I'm not gonna do nothing to her, and I hope she don't do nothing to me. That was just me and her.
Okay.
I don't know how she get the marks on her, to be honest. She, oh, bitch, get in the car, boom, boom, hit me right here, boom, boom, I can still feel it. No disrespect, sir.
Yep.
I hear her like, cause that's my friend, she hit me, so like, no, bitch, get in the car, boom, boom. I like, no, I'm not doing shit.
Okay.
And we did that together. I went in there and said, F y'all team. And that's when he started calling the cops on me.
Okay. We'll figure it out. Are you the registered owner of the car?
I am.
Okay.
6212. That's all me.
That's okay. Just stay right there, okay?
Yeah, that's all me. That's my name.
Okay. Ma'am.
Ma'am, don't walk over.
Stay over there.
Talk to him about me.
Ma'am.
Hey,
Walk over. I'm not about to talk about me. Excuse me.
you know what? You want to go to jail?
Twice.
I'm gonna tell you right now.
To stay over
You
here.
told me once, but I walked over there to my friend. That's my friend. Did you not tell me you slapped me first, right?
Look at me. I'm talking to you.
No, I'm talking to her.
No, I'm talking to you.
I understand.
Okay.
But I'm the only black person out here,
let me
so
tell you something.
I really feel like I'm being discriminated against because I came here with my friend.
Why you feeling
Because I
discriminated
came here with my friend. We was talking sports.
Okay.
So they're out
She's
here
about to go
together.
for
They've been
public.
drinking here together for about 30 minutes. She started fighting, arguing about the games,
Okay.
and they ended up getting in a fight over that.
Inside.
She just started hitting her inside. She don't even know why. She goes, it just started. Mark said he has not served her any alcohol. That
She's trash.
yes, she is, and that he told her he wasn't going to serve her any alcohol. But she needed to leave.
Okay.
During the fight, she hit him as well.
The only reason why he is mad because
y'all
I
in a
said
fight.
F his team.
Okay. When I tell you to stay over here,
You want to beef with
that's
me.
a lawful
You want to beef
order.
with me. I'm going to go to
Don't
my
go
car.
over here. You're gonna stay right here.
I'm going to
where I
go
tell
to
you
my
go.
car.
Or you're gonna go to jail
Don't
for
point
obstruction
me.
of justice.
Don't
You understand
point
me?
at me.
That's what I've gotten from both of them.
So she's saying that the fight took place in the parking lot, but he
said
kicked her
it
out
came
because she was
into
talking
the
shit
parking
about
lot.
the
He said it
game.
was fighting, and it started
Do they have
inside
cameras
and it came
inside?
out here. He said somebody inside has video of what took place.
Okay.
I'm not playing with you.
You don't want to play with me because I'm a black girl. Go ahead.
Do I look white to you?
No, I don't give a fuck how you look. I didn't do nothing. I
Obstruction of
didn't do
justice. You ain't listening to nobody.
Hold on. I didn't do anything.
Get your hands behind your
Julia,
back.
could you get my phone right here on the floor?
There, Julie, we'll take care of that.
I didn't do anything. Go ahead, arrest me. I'm sorry.
We are. We're not playing games with you.
I ain't do nothing.
You don't wanna
by
listen to nobody? That's fine.
I didn't do nothing to anybody.
Okay.
I didn't show no aggression or nothing. All I'm doing
You're
is
right.
being
You're right.
fucking positive about what I said.
No, it's handled. Stop talking, everybody.
No, because they got it though. They got it already. Arresting me for what?
You're under arrest for obstruction right now.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, we told you multiple times not to go over there, and you walked
No,
over there
I was
anyway.
walking to my friend
And
to
it-
ask her something.
Exactly,
To talk
we
to
told you
her.
not to. Have a
but
seat.
sir, I didn't do
Have a seat.
anything. I promise you.
Have a seat, please. Have a
All
seat.
right, I will.
Scoot in, turn around.
I will. Okay. I'm the only black girl out here. The only black person out here.
Man, what's your name?
I'm the only black person out here, yo.
What's that?
That's crazy, because I'm the only black person out here. She smacked me first.
Who has the video?
Okay, so this is the first one. That's them fighting.
Hey, whoa! Video thing. Hey!
She just smacked me. She just smacked me. She just smacked me.
What did she fight you for?
She was pissed.
Okay, because she's saying that she slapped her first.
No, she didn't.
Okay.
I want to press charges on her because she slapped me. And I'm like, I'm not gonna hit you.
Ma'am, what is your name? Are you gonna? Okay. Are you gonna tell me who you are?
I am. I'm Khadijah Venable. Khadijah Venable. But I would like to place charges on who slapped me. Who slapped me?
Right. Well, we're gonna continue investigating. And we'll let you know.
No, it's not investigation. I'm telling you right now. I'm the only black person out here and getting arrested, yo.
Hey, you lady, get over here.
You break my neck.
Lady, get over here.
Kill me. Kill me. Call the cops and kill me. Call the cops. Call the cops. That's all I asked y'all to do.
You said you want to press charges for her slapping you?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Because like I was trying to stop this, and she slapped me. I'm like, listen, I don't hit a woman, so I'm not gonna hit you back. I said, but if you do it again, I'm gonna put you on the floor.
Here, can you send that video you showed me of hitting her and then him to that number? I guess it's going to be battery times 2.
It took all y'all cops for a simple restaurant complaint? Like I did something to somebody because I said fuck his team? All I did was walk in there and say fuck his team because he playing football. That's all I ever did was say fuck his team. Nah, her face don't look like that from me. Her face, I did not touch that lady, yo. That lady actually touched me.
Do you want to press charges on her for hitting you?
sir.
Huh?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. All we have is him then.
But I want to make sure she would come back in my apartment.
And we'll trespass her too.
Okay.
We came here together. That man only mad because I said fuck his team. Battery, I never touched that lady. She didn't do that. She hit me. Sir, hello? She hit me. We came together.
It's a little bit blurry, but you can see her hit him.
Oh, yeah. We'll shoot the hell out of her.
But she don't want to press charges.
And choke her.
Yeah. Well, she's not choking her. She's just holding her down. She's saying, "You're my friend." Da, 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 da.
Oh, dude, right there.
And then she's, yeah.
Sir, hello? Sir, hello? Sir, hello? Sir, hello?
What's up?
Y'all putting charges on me. I want to put charges on her. She hit me.
Ma'am?
She smacked
Do
me.
you want to listen?
I'm just trying to plead my case, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay, sit back in your seat and I'll explain the thing.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's too late to plead your case. I'm going to tell you what's going on, okay? You're being charged with public drunk.
I'm not drunk.
Ma'am, you're trashed as well.
I swear to God, I'm not.
Okay, do you want me to explain to you or not? I'm not going to argue with you on each one of these.
I'm not arguing with you, sir. I'm not. But listen, I'm not.
I'm done.
No. I want to hear you. I want to hear you. Please talk to me.
You don't want to listen.
No, please talk to me. Please. Damn, y'all so hard, yo. I'm listening. Sir,
Yes?
she smacked me first.
And she's also not pressing charges on you.
Okay, but that's fine. But she smacked me first.
Okay. But she's not pressing charges on you, and that's not what the video shows. So,
No, it's a video. If it's a video, it would show that she smacked me. Let's get to that video. Sir. She smacked me and I smacked her back. She smacked me and I smacked her ass back. This for no reason, sir, please, listen to me. I was the only black person in that restaurant, yo, with a white friend. With a white friend, and I've been friends with her over 10 years. I have to do her alcoholism. I have to do her soberism. I did everything for that lady, yo. Talkative to my friend, I just wanted to let her know. I just wanted to talk to my friend, sir. I wasn't trying to be rude. You really ignoring me like I'm a problem, sir. That's not right.
She was charged with public drunkenness, obstruction, and simple battery. At this time, I can't find any court records relating to this arrest.
Who needs enemies when you got friends like her, man? Boy. That's how y'all resolve a conflict? beating her up. And that excuse that you giving about I'm the only black person, a black person and a white person went to a Mexican restaurant. Let's be honest here. The people that was sitting out there on the porch and stuff like that, like when they were talking to, you know, the cops and showing the video and everything like that, them people that I seen were Mexican. So the only other races I seen was y'all two that came there. So if you the only black person, well, that other person looked like the only white person. So what's the problem here? I don't get it. That's not a reason because you the only black person there that you know you shouldn't be getting arrested or whatever the case may be. You got arrested because of your attitude, man, and you don't know how to keep your hands to yourself. Whatever. You got your friend scared, right? Because you could tell the friend is scared, the white lady, because she don't want to. She's probably afraid of the repercussions of if she were to press charges, or maybe she just really loves her and they're really just friends, and that's how they get. You know, they get into their little arguments like that. Whatever. But kudos for the guy for not letting it fly. Anyway, I get a cops. 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video. I hope you learned a little bit about we're just gonna call it ebonics.